Hands-on with the product red iPhone 8 Special Edition. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? This is Jeff Benjamin with 9to5Mac. Here in my hands is the product red iPhone 8. You can see the box is different. You got the red Apple logo, the product red text, and the red iPhone text. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Take that wrapper off just like that. All right, so like always, the first thing that you see is the Design by Apple in California packet. And of course, Apple donates a portion of the sale to the Product Red charity. So you can find out more about that with the little insert inside. You also get a tips insert, you get a Sim Eject Tool, and you also get some regulatory information, and of course your Apple stickers, can't forget that. All right, so now let's take it out of the box. There we go, you saw a sneak peek of that, we'll get back to it. But inside the box, of course, you have your 5-watt power adapter. You also have your ear pods. And because the iPhone 8 does not have a headphone jack, you get a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. You also get a Lightning to USB-A cable for charging and for syncing. So there we go, folks. This is the product red iPhone 8, and you can see it is bright red. And because the iPhone 8 has that all glass design with the glass back, the red is much more pronounced, much more reflective than even last year's product red iPhone 7. So it makes a big difference in the looks. I think it looks way better than last year's version as far as the back panel is concerned. You can see it here, outdoors. Very reflective, just makes that red pop on the rear of the device. The sides are still anodized aluminum, just like all iPhone 8 models. You can see the product red text down below, but everything else about this device outside of the color is going to be the same as all other iPhone 8s. So this is still just an iPhone 8, just with a special edition product red color. Now, last year's iPhone 7 did have a difference. You see that white front panel? Well, that has changed. Now you get a black front panel, so you get black bezels on front, and you can see how it meets the anodized aluminum sides of the iPhone 8 Special Edition. So a much more menacing look, in my opinion, than last year's model. However, I have to say I'm not as big of a fan as I expected to be. I thought that I would want a black front panel with black bezels, but oddly enough, I think I actually prefer the white bezels from last year. It doesn't feel as cramped with the white bezels, in my opinion, whereas that black bezel plus the red anodized aluminum border just makes the device feel a little smaller, makes the screen feel a little more closed in, if you will. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. Obviously, the Plus model will probably help out a little bit in that regard. But even if you love the look of this device, I still think these mid-cycle updates are a hard sell because we're less than 6 months from the next iPhone reveal. If you're still using an older iPhone and you don't really care about staying on the bleeding edge, say you're still rocking an iPhone 6, then it's a much more compelling mid-cycle upgrade option in my opinion. Because remember, this iPhone 8 is basically as fast as an iPhone 10 because it has the same processor. Now, obviously, you don't get all the niceties from the iPhone 10, but speed-wise, it's no slouch. Be sure to check out our full hands-on video of the iPhone 8 for much more in-depth coverage. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is Jeff with 9to5Mac.